What's up, boys? On the video, you guys got some Pokemon cards again because last time we got like 66 views. Got these ones because I always want to do pack openings. They always give me 120 views, so I just thought, I did it. So I'm gonna do one of these ones, one of these, then a Pokemon pack, and then some fluff. Okay, let's go from the top to the bottom, shall we? Starting off with one of the Premier League ones. Hope you get something good. I've done like a ton of these pack recordings, but I spent literally £6 on a pack recording, and I couldn't upload it because I was wearing a weird T-shirt, which the system didn't like. Okay, starting off good with Luke Lang, Bennett. Oh, I got the Arsenal kit. An elite Aubameyang, but I've already got him, so I'm not too excited. Dennis OD and Kai. Is that Kai Havertz? It's Kai Havertz. It's not too bad to start. And now we've got the Pokemon pack, the big boy Pokemon pack. I forgot to open these. But to be honest with you, I forgot to open these. I'm really nervous because this thing cost me £4. Just one, 10 cards. Cost me a lot of money. And it's a terrible pack, yes, I just love to see it. And we've got a green code. Oh mate. A green code. I'm not gonna really show you it, but I'm gonna do the thing. I think it's 3 1, 3, 4, starting with the green energy. Indy. Crackcourt. Tower of Waters. Maywell, Single Strike. Fomantis, Greenwood, Rapid Strike, yep, Spearow, Escape Rope, and 8slash as a rare. Okay, now on to the Danny Ings football pack. I always get confused. Anyway, guys, it's this pack of winning cost me around £10 because the last one I did cost me £54. So that's not going probably not going to happen. Okay, I got the Chelsea team thing. I don't know. Daniel Furlong, Ryan Mahrez, got Virgil van Dijk, and we have Divock Origi's changed his look, and then the final pack, the Tyranitar Pokemon pack, is going to end this session. Before I end this, let's try. I really want to try and hit 15 subs. We're only one away. Come on, boys. I've just not been uploading because I'm not. Don't judge me. So hope you enjoy this. Hope this pack opening is only around 3 minutes long. So I need to explain a couple of things and why I'm not uploading. It's just personal reading and other things. And I think if I got 20 likes, I'd do something special. I probably should have said 20 views because I got 20 views very easily. I just think many didn't I? Okay. Is it green and white to make it even worse if it's worse? So here's the code for it. Leave that on for a couple of seconds. Yeah, I'll just turn around a bit. Yep. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Please something good. I've not got anything good in years. Starting off with Electric Energy. Sorry, that Steward and Sherbert. Bishop. Golbat. Zubat. Kiba and Ferilish. Blipbug, Roly-Coly, and then we have Gilgar and no, I've been ripped off again by Pokemon. Oh my god. Holographic Sandaconda. been ripped off by Pokemon again, but I think the company that made food packs, I congratulate you because you actually made packs you can get good stuff out of. So I'm going to end it here, and yeah, when we get 50 subs, I'm going to be doing a giveaway of a couple cards which I just do not need and do not want. I'll show you all the good Pokemon cards I've got. Give me a sec. These are the cards that, if you watch my videos, you'll know some of the cool cards I got for Christmas. I did not show you all the cool cards I got for Christmas. No, did I? Okay, here's basically all the cards I got after I forgot to show you guys half the cards I've got. So like here it is. I've got a couple of cards which I didn't have cases for. So like, here's all the times. I've got my favourite Centiskorch. Let's start together for so long. Eternatus VMAX, Malamar VMAX, Mega Altaria EX, Alolan Persian, Rainbow, Aegislash V, Vigorpholt V, Boltown V, they were all for last, Charizard V, Salamence V, Eternatus V, Grimmsnarl V, Rillaboom V, Double V, Espeon GX, Hattern V, Galarian Stunkfish V, Orbeetle V, Crobat V, and I think that's it. Or is there one more behind? Cheeky little okay, that's it. If you enjoyed this video, like and subscribe. This is going to be quite a long one. It's been a long one. It's probably my longest one since probably the start of my YouTube channel. See you later. Bye. Like and subscribe. And let's try and hit 15 subs. It's going to be a giveaway. I need to explain more about that. I don't know, I have a couple, doubles, so whoever wins, just friend me on Fortnite, and when we hit next week, hopefully, let's go to my YouTube name. I'll put as my Fortnite name, so next week, when if I get enough money, I can give you guys a green or 500 V-Bucks. So then, I'm just going for the giveaway, and I'll see you later. Bye. Thanks for 14 subs, I guess.